everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Overcooked 2. Now right off the bat we see that we are like a little bus and this is what brings us to each level. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play from level 1. Secondly, we see the stars. Now the third star is your goal, so you want to get $240. Again, at each level that brings a new recipe, it shows you how to make it. So this is just a quick, very easy one to make. In the corner, you can see the money and the time, and those are really what you need to pay attention to. In order to cook, you need to get the ingredients. Sometimes you'll have to chop, sometimes not. To chop, you need to press X. And just like this, you will put, when you finish the recipe that it shows, you will bring it to this kind of conveyor belt, and when you put it in, you will get money for it. You should press, to switch, you press Z or R, or L or R. As you can see in the corner, the time is going down, but I'm getting quite a bit of money. I can switch between these two characters, which makes it really helpful. In this level, I do have an unlimited amount of plates, but in other levels you will not, and you will eventually have to start washing the plates that you have already used. When you have done an order that has not been asked, it will blink red like you saw previously. If you can see at the top of the bars of the orders that are coming in, the lower the bar gets, the more the person is angry and they want their food quick. And once their patience runs out, so the bar is red, you will lose money, which is not a good thing. Level 1 is pretty straightforward, but they do get more difficult. As you can see on my time, it is getting lower and I need to act fast. I'm at 3 seconds. Once you get to the end of the level, it will show you your score. As you can see, I fulfilled all 3 scores. So if you're looking at what the kind of receipt says, orders delivered, that's how many plates I put in, which would be 10, and that gave me 200 points. And then tips, that's if you got it on time or the person really likes it. I got 68, and orders failed, I didn't get any orders failed. And after this, it just shows you kind of how to use the controls, so which buttons to press. And that's pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to tell you which buttons mean what. X is to chop or throw, A is to pick up, B is to sprint, and Y is to change the layout. Well, not really layout, but if you press Y, you can either do story mode, practice, or survival. I personally just use story mode, so I'm going to choose that. As you go on, the levels will get harder. As you can see over here, there are balloon levels. There is also levels where you will do white river rafting, and you'll have to press X a lot because you will be throwing in between your characters, but as you saw, level 1 is pretty straightforward. the levels get pretty difficult, and the time, on some of the levels, the time does not start until you have put your first order through. So just be aware of that when making it, because sometimes the time is really long, sometimes it's not. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button, and I would be so happy if you subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!